How to add existing tab to group on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add existing tab to group on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and now click this icon here in the bottom corner and just select any group you want, like this one. Click on it and now click this 3 points here in the top corner and click add existing tab and select any tab you want here and click add to Twitter, and that's it, tab have been added. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.